In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Connections. Then select More Connection Settings and click on Printing. Following that, tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. To use a different service, disable this one. Go back. Click on Download plugin and download the best one for you. Then tap on it in the same settings and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!